notification. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Good morning to you. Welcome to my live stream today. I hope you're good. We are here. Okay. So, guys, welcome. Okay, let me ask them a question. How are you doing today? Welcome, everybody. Hey, Roman, how are you? How is it going? I hope you're good. I watched your video yesterday. But there's something you need to do. You need to take a course on how to create YouTube videos and then edit them. It's very important. And your video does not have enough title, so you should give it good title and hashtags, so that people will look at it and then always get a thumbnail on your video. And another thing, you need to on your, what do you call it? You need to on your comment section. Your comment section is off, so you need to on it so that people can be able to reach you through your comment section. Now, when I look at your video, I want to comment, no way, because the comment section is turned off. It's not on. So please take note of that. But by the way, you are doing a great job. But they score a lot of goals. What happened? They score a lot of goals. What happened? So, guys, welcome. Chenga live now someone I engage motasalam. But chenga karo motsu ya kai. Like member war. I came to work today and there is not what do you call it, internet for me to upload my YouTube videos. At least I have a video that I want to upload on YouTube today. And there's no internet. You're a goalkeeper, okay. That's good. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. I want to try and stream like, let's say 1 hour on YouTube today. I want to stream for 1 hour. It's possible. We can do it. If I said I'm going to stream for 1 hour, yeah, let's stream for 1 hour. Let's discuss here. I want to, have a good discussion with my YouTube, my subscribers, and my fans, my friends, everybody. So let's talk. So let me know where you're watching me from. I'll try to spend 1 hour on this live. It's just like it's raining outside, so rain go away. Come again another day. Come over here, my Myanmar column. I don't know why. Why am I Myanmar column? Seriously. Which is not good. I just want to clip on play music and Welcome, guys. Welcome. Can you try to film a video where you only drink water for 1 week? So you mean I should stay somewhere in 1 week then be drinking water only? How much are you going to pay? But you say I should do a video where I'll be drinking water for 1 week. I can do that, but you come with a price. Can you drink water for 1 week, Roman? If you can drink water for 1 week, let us know. I'm not going to best view lens. I don't know where you lens neck bar. You can. Oh, beautiful. I want 1.4 million. That's good. Okay, let me drink this one for 1 second. It's 1 week stay. How about that? Yeah, guys, you're welcome. Let's discuss. Let's chat. How you doing? So now, you make a challenge where you'll be drinking your own water for 1 week, and I too will be drinking water for 1 week. Well, it's a good one, but maybe I don't have to go to work, then stay at home for 1 week. I would have loved to do that, but I'm kind of busy. Because yeah, because I have work to do, and then so staying indoor for 1 week, maybe that will come with a price, man. If not, it's good to do it. It's something I can do. Imagine I'll just stay on the live stream, then be drinking water for 1 week. Just connect my phone. Thank you so much. Now, Roman, you should share my videos to your friends, yeah? Share some of my videos to your friends, let them watch, and then... Millionaire mindset. Welcome. Let's grow together. Welcome. So you can share some of my videos to your friends and family, loved ones, so that they can watch. All right. You can select the one you liked, those one you love so much. You can just select them and then share it. That would be nice. Millionaire, welcome. Millionaire, where are you streaming from? Let's know where you're streaming from. Or US. Okay. What do you do on your YouTube channel? Let's know where you're streaming from. Romance from Denmark. Billionaire is from the US. And you, where are you? I'm streaming live from Nigeria. Benue State, Nigeria, West Africa. That's where I'm streaming my live streaming. So you're all welcome. If you're watching me here, please let me know where you're watching me from. Billionaire, are you a YouTuber? Or you just come here to watch videos? Guys, please share this live, share this live, share this live. Share, like, and comment. Oh, you are a YouTuber. It will be a blessing to visit Nigeria in the near future. Oh, that'll be fine. So what's your YouTube channel name so that I will check and subscribe to your YouTube channel? What's the name? If you're here and you're a YouTuber, just write your YouTube channel down below so that I'll be able to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Write your channel down so that I can subscribe. Oh, the same name. Okay, let me check. The name is long, but I can see check. Let me see what you normally do on your YouTube. Say Iyenina. You know, in Nigeria we have different tribes, so I will maybe if you want to learn it in what do you call it? The pidgin language, which is the general English that we speak in Nigeria, you can just say how you dey or how far. That's good. You can just say how you dey or how far, you know. Roman, if you can hear me, if you want to greet somebody in Nigerian language, it's the pidgin, you say how far. But you want to greet in my own dialect, which is TIV, then you say Iyenina. I hope you understand me. Billionaire. I'm looking for the billionaire. Guys, welcome. Please, if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe. Iyenina. Thank you. Iyenina. That's my own language. And then, normal one is how far. How far. That's normal Nigerian greeting. So if you see a Nigerian, just tell him. If you see a Nigerian, just tell him how far. Then the person will reply to you, how you dey. How you dey is just like saying, how are you? You know, so how you dey is just like, how are you? So these are the two basic difference when it comes to greetings in Nigeria. Now, when you tell a person how you dey, they say, I'm fine. You know, how you dey, I am fine. Billionaire mindset. Oh, this your YouTube name is long. Oh, wonder. Let's grow together. Okay. I'm looking at your video. I'm looking for your videos. You deal with animals? This is your channel, right? Billionaire. I think I've subscribed. I've subscribed to your channel before. So I've subscribed to your channel. Do you deal with animal? Like a rabbit? This one. You know, I think you need to give your video some good titling and description. It's very important. Your description should be more catchy. I love farming. I love farming. Farming is good. By the way, Billionaire, how old are you? Galileo, how far? Good afternoon, good morning. What was your work when I got IKEA? Precious Event Center. Yes.
Sorry, Precious Event
Perhaps. Sorry, I got a call. So, Carl, Billionaire, let me know if you are still here. Some cows, they are more than 1 million now. They are more than $1,000. Yeah. Some they are more than even $2,000. So it depends on which one you find yourself. So some you can get them at the rate of 250. Some you can get, it depends, because some cows are very, very big, like very big cows. So it depends on where, and just depends. But big cows are so expensive, man. During my wedding, they asked me to bring cow, and I was not having enough money, so I did not buy. Maybe when I'm rich, when I've made money enough. Thank you. Yes, so. Thank you. Yeah. So let me tell you guys something now. If you are getting married in Nigeria, yeah, in my culture, all right, what you do, there are some things that you need to buy and bring it to your wife to be house. You need to buy pig, sometimes goat. You buy pig, you buy goat. You buy 20 liters of red oil. Like sometimes you have to buy like 4. Sometimes you have to buy like 5 or 6. And you bring 2 cartons or 4 cartons of onions. You buy a wheelbarrow, you buy a knife, you buy a lamp, you buy a chair, you buy a table, you buy 1 bag or 2 bags of onions. And what again? You buy crate of minerals, and you buy what again? Yeah, these are the few things I can remember. So you take it to the wife's house, then you give to the women, you give to the mother, yeah. You know, all the mothers in the village, they will come, they will gather, they will bring it to them, they will share. Then you come to where the men are, like the fathers, what is it called? Your father-in-law. You come to your father-in-law's place, then give them, they eat goat, they drink some cartons of beer. Okay, yeah, sorry. The men, the father-in-laws, they drink, they eat the pig and some cartons of beer, and you give them money. You know, there's some negotiation that they normally do. The dowry you discuss. I think I think I need to make some videos about traditional marriage in Benue State in Nigeria, in this part of Nigeria. You know, I will go for the traditional marriage and analyze the whole thing, and then you guys will be able to watch and see how they do that. And if I have a chance, if I have any traditional marriage this week, and then I'll be able to do that. Thank you guys, my special fans. Billionaire, how old are you? So that's what I'm going to do, so that you guys will have a clear picture about the traditional marriage thing and how they do. And sometimes you spend a lot of money to get your wife home, yeah? You know, to get your wife to your house, you spend a lot of money. And I don't know how you do in Denmark. I don't know how you do in America. And on a wedding day, yes, on a wedding day, the man will have to bring money to buy food that people are going to eat, drinks and everything. It's like the whole thing is on the groom's head. Okay, it's fine. So the whole thing is on the groom's head. So you buy everything to take care of the event. So you're the one that is getting married, going to marry. So you spend a lot of money. And that's what we do here in Benue State. And they are trying to cut the costs down, but it's not easy, because the king said the bride price should be like $100. You know, once you have $100 at least, yeah, you'll be able to get a wife. But people are saying they are spending a lot of money and training their children, and you know, so they are spending a lot of money training their children, and then why will you come and give them $100? You know, they expect that you should give them more, you know. So not like they are selling their children to you, but it's culture. You know, in culture, you need to do so many things that are very important when it has to do with culture. So I think I'll write on Facebook, I'll look for a wedding this Saturday, maybe a traditional marriage that I will go and then document it and then bring it here for you people to watch. Hello? Yeah, how far? Yeah, now get another account number now. I might send them 5,000. Okay. Oh no, no, I'm about to turn also. Okay. So as I was saying, and I would do a video like that, just travel to the village and then document everything about the traditional marriage, and you see how they do everything. And then please, if I bring the video, you guys to watch, you guys should watch the video, please. So that when I bring the video now, you'll be looking at the video will be looking at me. Share it to people to have idea of the culture around the world. And one of the goals of this channel is to promote the culture and the different culture of different part of Africa, so, and the lifestyle, so that is what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll write on my Facebook and said any traditional marriage this week. I would love to document a traditional marriage. So who is doing traditional marriage this week? Then I will go and you guys will see everything. So maybe one day I will come to the US, then I will just know how they, just have an idea how they do their traditional marriage and then all of that. Do you have traditional marriage in the US? Do you have traditional marriage in Denmark? Let me know. No, I've not been to South America. I've not been. Me, I've not traveled out of Africa. So, but I know some days I'll travel far. So, I've not been there. Okay, my friend. So now, do you do, what do you call it? Do you do? Oh, Justin, welcome, sir. Do you do traditional marriage in South America? Do you do that? Roman, Chimabere TV is the best YouTuber of all time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, that's a good recommendation. All right, so like I said, I will do that. Yeah, you have to smile. In this life, you don't have to stress yourself. Even though you are going through a lot, you just have to smile and then keep yourself healthy. It's when you survive that you see the next day. So guys, okay, no problem. That would be nice. So what do you do for a living, billionaire? Hi. Hello? Yes. And I'm with me now. Can't we get with TV? Then with me now. So guys, that way when when I come to Denmark, come to US, I know that I'll go to South America and then visit my friends. You know, I know that I have people around the world. No need to stress myself. Why is this ringing tune? Music is so good. You like the ringing tone? Uh, it's my language, so now I have my friend here who does cartoon videos. What's that your channel again? So that they can search you.
Cartoons Kiddies TV.
Say it out now. You cartoons to this TV. If I go to my live and comment so that they will follow you. He does this cartoon, so follow him. He's a good guy. He's doing great in his cartoon YouTube. So Roman, you can share it to your friends. So you enjoy it. So I'm going to Shima. I'm going to write on Facebook. I'm here. I'm going to write on Facebook so that I can get a wedding, a traditional marriage this weekend, so that I will go and then document and then bring it to you guys to watch. So I know that I have my super fans here, Jessin, Billonian, and all right. Finance, real estate, investor, entrepreneur. Yeah, that's it. That's it. And I have one in the UK. Justin, are you still here? Just if you are here, if you are still here, let me know that you are still here. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Okay, I'm telling me over. Tell double time. Justin is still here. So my friend is going to comment on this YouTube channel so that you guys are going to, subscribe to his YouTube channel. And guys, please subscribe to Roman's channel, subscribe to Billionaire's channel, subscribe to Justin is not a YouTuber, so he will comment and then you guys will subscribe to his channel. If you love cartoon, it would be nice if you subscribe to his channel and tell your friends about his cartoon channel. Thank you. Just write normal. Okay, let me show. Yes. Okay, guys, so that is his YouTube channel. Talk, let them hear you. Marketing,
Okay, yeah. That's my YouTube channel. I do children animation. Children. There's this thing in animation that children love a lot. Even me, I'm still trying to figure out that thing, because whenever children see cartoon, their mood is on another level. Yeah, so I started creating those. So to be nice, go watch and or share with your younger ones or your elderly ones that have children, and your children will love it. Mm.
So guys, Sunnyside, welcome. Welcome. Everybody's special, you know. I love all my YouTubers, my subscribers. You're all special. Like my friend said, he's into animation, and if you love animation, please subscribe to his channel. He'll be commenting on the comment section, and you see cartoons, kiddies. So subscribe. He has amazing content. Yeah. So guys, please support him, and then let's grow each other. You know, one thing we don't understand is growing ourselves is very important. And no, just don't use the link, because I don't think the link will open, because YouTube will not allow that. So what you do, just click on his on his name, on where he has commented.
Come on now.
So when he commented, just like or just touch, then I think YouTube will just take you to his channel, then you subscribe. And he's doing a great job. Those of us that we are just upcoming YouTubers, yeah, we need to gather ourselves and then grow our YouTube channel. You know, when you do that, it's better. And those big subscribers, those big YouTubers, these are they started before they become what they are today. So we too, this is how we're going to start, and then we'll become great. Oh, it's 6:50 a.m. Are you in America, or where are you? Guys, please share this video and then like. Wednesday. Oklahoma, okay. So we help ourselves to grow, and oh, you have 30. How I subscribe to your YouTube channel? If you have not, let me just. What's your YouTube channel? Just drop it so that we'll subscribe, so we can help ourselves grow together. Because when we learn to support each other, we'll go far away. Okay, that's your handle, okay. So guys, please, let's subscribe to each other and then grow our YouTube channel. And then maybe my next live, that's what I'm going to do, subscribe to each other. And if you're here, if you want to go live with me, just let me know. If you want to go live with me, then we'll plan it and then we'll do that together. If you want to go live with me, just let me know so that we can know how we plan it. Is that okay? Okay, now it's about 12:52 p.m. 12:52 p.m. That's the time. This is our time now. 12:52 p.m. So guys, you're all welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. All right? I'm just having a conversation with my beautiful subscribers, wonderful subscribers here, and their fans and friends. We're just having a nice time here, having a chat with each other, you know. So you're all welcome. And if you know that you have something on this channel that is, you know something interesting, then come to this channel and then have a nice time. Billionaire, are you still here? Did you stream for like 8 hours? Wow, that's crazy. Streaming for 8 hours is not easy, man. Okay. All right. But Billionaire, you don't show yourself your face on your channel. And I think this is an advice. It would be nice if you, Billionaire, if you can listen to me, it would be nice if you can be doing YouTube shorts. It's very important when you create YouTube shorts, and the YouTube short helps you to gain more followers, more subscribers. Yeah. So it would be nice if you can be making some YouTube shorts so that you have more subscribers. What do you think? Underscore. I'm looking for a day that I will stream for like, let's say how many hours? I will stream for like how many hours? Maybe let's say 6 hours or 24 hours.
So why?
No, if I have the right equipment, I can stream for 24 hours. Okay, Sonny, if you are here, is this your channel? Yeah, I think this is your channel, yeah. Abi, you're not the one. No, I don't think it's the one. Do not feel comfortable sharing my face. Okay. Because when you are, what the reason why I said that, when you are doing a live streaming, yeah, when you are communicating with people and then they look at your face, like just imagine I'm like streaming right now and we're communicating. Just imagine you were just seeing what I'm doing without seeing my face. You don't feel good. So at times it's always good to just let your viewers to see your face. Oh, you see, so you made it. There's a mistake that you make. And I want to get your number now. Constantly remember my Beno again. I do a businesswoman. Come growing. We are posting your car or your views, you view me. So look at this is your channel. You have about 33 subscribers here. So I'm going to subscribe to your channel. No. Roman, don't say that, because Mr. Beast is a big YouTuber. Me, I'm upcoming, so he's good. He's good, so don't say that. You want Mr. Beast to come and fight me? So now this is what I'm saying. Why is everybody dealing with cats? Yeah. So now, this is what I'm saying. Mm. If you have a YouTube channel, please, if you have a YouTube channel, please let people know what you are doing on YouTube. What is your niche? Who are your audience? If you have a YouTube channel, that is very important. You know, you need to indicate so that people will see that this is where this channel is. If I'm coming to this channel, this is what I'm going to see. If I'm coming to Romance channel, this is what I'm going to see. If I'm coming to Millionaire channel, this is what I'm going to see. You know, there should be a proper description. There should be a proper description for when people come, they will see it. Now, when you don't have those description, people come to your channel and they don't know what exactly you are doing on your channel. So guys, if you're watching this video and if you're a YouTuber, especially upcoming YouTuber, always let people know what you are doing on your channel. And now you need to try to make your channel to look professional, all right? It's very important when your channel looks so professional. And if imagine this channel, Sonny, this is your channel, yeah, this is your channel. Now I'm going to show you my YouTube channel so that you can see the difference. Yeah, can you see? This is how a professional YouTube channel should look like. Can you see? The cover page is very important. You know, with the cover page you can still highlight what you want to talk, what you are doing on your channel. And if you look at my highlights, you see travel, lifestyle, and what do you call it again? Entertainment. So it's very important. For you to get this, you can get a Canva, go to Canva, and then design something. It's very easy for you to design something in Canva, you know. So to me, I would say, if you want to be serious with YouTube, you have to make things serious. It's not, if you want to play, okay, you can still come and play on YouTube when you want to play, but if you want to get serious with YouTube, those are the main things that you need to look out to, you know. So, Roma, they are still searching your channel. Can you just drop the handle so that he can check it? Like I said, today I want to do 1 hour live streaming here. That is why I'm here. That's what I filter. Yes, so guys, we're still here. We're still here. Yeah, fire. Yeah, of course, the year I'm now. Of course, the year I'm. Them get a question about first leading. I never hung go. Sorry, let me make a call, guys.
Person you are calling is on another call at the moment. Do hold on or call back.
Yes, my pan where? Okay. Ola mama me question no. Okay. She won't be one or get doga hungo. Um, 100,000. Cam, what's that?
Okay, no. So no.
Quando you yeah, that's a today, yeah. So guys, if you want to go live with me, let me know. Please, if you want to go live with me, let me know. Please, if you want to go live with me, let me know so that we'll send you a link. Then we'll go live together. If you want to do that, write it in the comment section before this live ends. I'll drop my number. I cannot even drop my number here. If you want to go live with me, let me drop my WhatsApp number so that we can connect. Then I will send you the link so that we can go live together. If you want to do that. Let's go. If you want to go live with me, so I don't get a number in chat. Yeah, okay, let me see if I can write it here. If you want to go live with me, let me know. Roma, are you ready today? Because when I send you a link, now you'll be telling me some things that I don't even understand. So guys, if you want to go live with me, I'll drop my WhatsApp number, all right? When I block movie, yeah. Leonie, are you talking to me or you're talking to someone else? Someone else. So guys, that's my WhatsApp number. If you want to go live with me, you chat me, then we'll plan our live streaming, yeah? So that our life will be more engaged, so that we can come talk together, gist, have a good conversation. Yeah. No. I'm not saying anybody should go live. I'm just telling you, if anybody that wants to go live with me, yeah, you want to come on my live streaming, yeah, I'll create a banner, send you a link, then we'll come live together and talk and have a chat. That's what I'm talking about. So as I was saying, a clear definition on what you are doing on your channel is very important, and it will help you to see more subscribers. All right, guys, I need to go for a break. I need to go and eat. I'm kind of hungry right now, and I need to go and eat. I really need to go and eat so that I will come back. Maybe by the time I come back, my WhatsApp will be babbling, say, okay, let's go live. Roma, are you still here? Roma, if you are still here, let me see you. Okay, let me go and eat. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, come and join me. Let's go and eat together, guys. Let's go eat together, guys. Let's go and eat together. All right, bye for now. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.